Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is the part 2 of yoga for flexibility in 7 days. Okay, so if in case you have missed the first part of the video, you can watch it. The link is in the description. So, also from this month onwards, यानी कि February से I have thought of posting content every thrice a week. That means every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So if in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss out any content that I post. Okay, so last time मैंने आपको 4 yoga stretches बताए थे. So even in this video, I'll be telling you guys 4 new stretches so that you can just do them and become flexible in 7 days or even less than 7 days. First stretch is the Caesar hamstring stretch. Okay, so in the last video also we had discussed about hamstring stretches to lose your hamstring muscles, but I've thought of adding some other stretches to make your hamstrings like super loose, because your most of the yoga stretches are based on your hamstrings. So the Caesar hamstring stretch is something that will make your hamstrings like really loose, and also if you're suffering from back pain or something, then it is useful. I mean, it gives a positive effect on your lower back pain also. So I think including Caesar hamstring stretch is a must. Also, if you're practicing some gymnast poses or something, so hamstring stretch is something that you should practice as a warm up.
Stand with one leg ahead of the other and another behind the other. Now inhale and bend down. Make sure that your fingers are touching the ground. Do it on one side and then turn around and do it for other side.
After you have worked on your hamstring stretches, it is important to make or to work on your ribs also. So side reach and stretch is something that you should practice in order to make your rib muscles strong. You want to practice the wheel pose, या फिर जिसे हम चक्रासन भी कहते हैं. So for that your back should be strong. ठीक है, your backbone or your lower back, या फिर you also called it as lumbar spine, that should be strong. So if you are a beginner and if you are practicing chakrasan, you'll experience pain in your lower back. So for that you should be knowing lower back mobilizer, जिसकी वजह से you won't experience pain when you're doing chakrasan. Or even if you have practiced chakrasan and you experience lower back pain, then you should practice low back mobilizer.
Lie flat on the floor with your back facing the floor. Then turn your left side towards the right and your neck towards the left side. Hold on for a few seconds. Then turn your right side towards your left and your neck towards the right side. You will feel stretch in your lower back.
Okay, now the last stretch of the day is extended side angle bend, also called as Parsvakonasana. If you have stiffness in your neck and your shoulders, then you should definitely try this asana. It reduces the stiffness, and it also helps your hamstrings to become loose. It helps in the improvement of your stamina and also tones your body and also gives you proper posture and gives strength to your legs, knees and your ankles.
This stretch is similar to side reach and stretch. That is why I thought of making a common video for both the stretches. All you need to do is stand with your legs wide apart in a warrior pose. Then bend your left knee. Keep your left hand on your left knee and turn your feet little bit pointing towards the left side. Then raise your right hand and stand in that position for a few seconds. Make sure that you keep your body stiff and stable without your hand shaking in the air. And this is how you gain the position. Once you're done with one of the side, then do it for the next side.
So that was it for today's video. I hope these 4 stretches and the other 4 stretches जो हमने पिछले हफ्ते किए थे that are going to help you guys and you'll get good results because I practice them every day and they have helped me a lot. So I hope they'll help you also. And yeah, if you have liked this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe because if you subscribe I get motivation to make more videos. And also check my Instagram because I create content for Instagram as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.